Hello students, இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா benzene related compound க்கு how to give IUPAC name ether secondary tertiary amine. So இந்த compoundsக்குலாம் slightly rule is different. So நீங்க few placesல வந்து C6H5 benzene நோ few placesல C6H5 phenyl னு சொல்லி பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. So when to use phenyl, when to use benzene. So when C6H5 is the root word, you have to call it as benzene. When C6H5 is a substituent, you have to call it as phenyl. அவ்வளவுதான். So next இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் பாருங்க. இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள்ல இது வந்து ring part, இது side chain part. So இப்போ நம்ம வந்து count the number பார்க்கணும். Number of carbon atom வந்து ring partல 6, இங்க 1. So அப்போ எது root word? Ring part maximum number, இது root word. இது வந்து என்னது substituent, side chain part substituent. So இப்போ ring part root word na you have to call it as benzene. So side chain part methyl. So methyl benzene is the IUPAC name of the compound. இதை வந்து நம்ம toluene சொல்லுவோம். tolueneங்கிறது common name. இந்த second exampleல இங்க நம்ம என்ன பார்க்கணும்னா functional group எங்க இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கணும். previous exampleல functional group இல்ல. இப்போ இந்த exampleல you have functional group alcohol. அது எங்க இருக்கு? side chainல இருக்கு. அப்போ side chain become root word and this becomes substituent. So அப்போ root word, how many carbon atom in the root word? 1 carbon atom. So meth, single bond, methane, alcohol, so methanol. So என்ன methanol? C6H5 is a substituent. So you have to call it as phenyl. Methanol is the IUPAC name of the compound. And the common name is benzyl alcohol is the common name of the compound. In the case the functional group attached with the ring. So ring becomes a root word. அப்போ root word. So இந்த compound ஃபுல்லாவே என்னது benzaldehyde. So benzaldehydeல இந்த functional group attach ஆயிருக்க carbon becomes carbon number 1, 2, 3. So same rule தான், minimum number to the substituent. So benzaldehyde is the root word and third position nitro. Nitro வந்து prefix group. So third position la nitro. So 3 nitro benzaldehyde is the IUPAC name of the compound. So in the compound இது வந்து phenol. So functional group attached to the ring. So அப்போ இந்த compound name phenol. So in the position 1, 2, 3, 4. So these two are prefix group. Bromo. எந்தெந்த பொசிஷன்ல இருக்கு? 2, 4. So 2, 4 dibromo phenol is the IUPAC name of the compound. So இப்போ ஈத்தருக்கு இருந்துச்சுன்னா எப்படி நேமிங் பண்றது? So ether இருந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன ரூல் அப்படின்னா count the number of carbon atoms on either side of oxygen. Whichever is maximum that becomes a root word. So இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் பாருங்க. ஸோ இப்போ இந்த சைடு எவ்வளோ கார்பன் இருக்கு? 2 கார்பன். ஸோ இந்த சைடு எவ்வளோ கார்பன் இருக்கு? ஒன்லி 1 கார்பன். ஸோ அப்போ which is a root word? மேக்ஸிமம் இருக்கா root word. And OR ether வந்து என்னது prefix group. So அப்போ this becomes substituent. So அப்போ root word contains 2 carbon. So அப்போ eth, single bond ethane. So ethane உள்ள என்ன substituent இருக்கு? இது ஃபுல்லா substituent. இது methyl சொல்லுவோம், இது methoxy. என்ன substituent? methoxy. So methoxy ethane is the IUPAC name of the compound. We will see few more example. So in the case count the number on either side of oxygen. Inga 3, inga 1. So this 3 and 1. 3 becomes root word. 1 becomes substituent. So how to name this compound? Root word la 3 carbon. So propane, only single bond. So propane. So now this whole thing is a substituent. In the position of the root word la substituent irukku. First position. So you have to number 1, 2, 3. The chain terminates. The chain terminates where? Here. This is the chain. So terminal. So propane oda 1 position la you have methoxy. So 1 methoxy propane is the IUPAC name of the compound. In the case la you have to check for the longest carbon chain. So appo ingiyum 3 da. 3 and 1. 1 inga 3. So numbering is now substituent in the second carbon of the propane. So how to name this compound? Root word contains 3 carbon. So prop, single bond, propane. In the second position of propane, second carbon la you have methoxy. So to methoxy propane is the IUPAC name of the compound. So now number of carbon ingeyum count pannum. Number of carbon on both side of oxygen. Inge evlo carbon 6, inge evlo carbon 2. So which becomes, this becomes root word and this becomes substituent. So how to name this compound? Root word contains C6H5 is the root word. So appo benzene. Benzene la you have ethoxy now. So ethoxy benzene is the IUPAC name of the compound. In this case, same. Number of carbon 6, number of carbon 1. So benzene is the root word. Methoxy benzene is the IUPAC name of the compound. இதை வந்து நம்ம அனிசோல்னு சொல்லுவோம். Anisole is the common name of the compound. Similarly, IUPAC naming for secondary tertiary amine, you have to follow the same rule. Count the number of carbon on both side of nitrogen. 1 carbon, 2 carbon. So this becomes root word and this becomes substituent. So root word contains 2 carbon. So eth, only single bond, ethane, amine. This is suffix group. Amine is a suffix group. So ethanamine. Then prefix la methyl. So the methyl enga irukku? It is not in 1 or 2. It is present only in the N. So you have to call capital N. N methyl ethanamine is the root, is the IUPAC name of the compound. N methyl ethanamine. Case la count the number on both side of nitrogen. This side 4 carbon, this side 3 carbon. So 3 carbon, 4 carbon. Now count the number of carbon on both side of nitrogen. This side 4 carbon, this side 3 carbon. So 4 carbon becomes root word, 3 carbons become substituent. So root word contains 4 carbon. So but, only single bond, butane. Butane la now you have to position 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane to amine. N la you have propyl. So N propyl butane to amine is the IUPAC name of the compound. So count here. In this case 6 carbon, 1 carbon. So now C6H5 becomes root word. So you have to call benz. So benzamine. Benzamine or aniline is the root word. And N la you have methyl. So N-methyl benzamine or aniline is the IUPAC name of the compound. In this case, this is tertiary amine, where all the hydrogen of ammonia is replaced with R group. So tertiary amine. Same rule here also. Count the number of carbons. 1 carbon, 2 carbon. Now in this example, this is tertiary amine, where all the hydrogens are replaced with R group. So count the number on all side of nitrogen. 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 2 carbon. So this becomes root word, the other two become substituent. So root word contains 2 carbon, so ethane, amine. In N you have 2 methyl groups, so N, N, dimethyl ethanamine is the IUPAC name of the compound. This is also tertiary amine. Count the number of carbon on all side of nitrogen. So here 2 carbon, 1 carbon, 3 carbon. So 3 carbon is the root word, the others become substituent. So find the numbering for the root word. So 1, 2, 3. You have to start the numbering only from the terminal. So root word contains 3 carbon. So propan, 2 amine. N la you have methyl and ethyl. Alphabet la ethyl come first, so N ethyl, N methyl. Propan 2 amine is the IUPAC name of the compound. So the remaining rules we will see in the next video. Thank you.